In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Bitpanda account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in bitpanda.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Bitpanda. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, what you have to do is simply click on the sign up option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign up interface. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see on the screen. First of all, enter your first name. Likewise, enter your last name. Now what you have to do is provide your email address. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now after you do that, create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. After you do that, what you have to do is simply select the country of residence. Click on the field of country of residence. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice, or you can also type in your country if you want. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Right now you can see over here I'm facing the server error, but after you do that, what you have to do is simply confirm your email. You'll have to check your inbox for a confirmation email from Bitpanda and simply click on that link in order to verify your email address. After you do that, you'll be able to complete the account creation. After that, your Bitpanda account will be created. After your account creation, you can simply verify your identity, deposit the funds and start trading. So like this, you'll be able to create the account. So that is how you create Bitpanda account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.